Today's topic is proportion. Proportion is closely related to ratio. In the previous video of ratio, you saw that when making bread, you need 3 grams of water for every 5 grams of flour. This means that if you use 300 grams of water, you need 500 grams of flour. Both numbers have been multiplied by 100. They increase at the same rate. They are directly proportional to each other. If two numbers are directly proportional to each other, then if one number increases, the other number increases at the same rate. A common way to solve a problem where proportion is involved is to find the value of a unit quantity. Example 1. If a wire of length 2 meters costs $10, find the cost of wire length 35 centimeters. How do we solve this? Let's first convert the dollar into cents. So, 200 centimeters cost is equal to 1,000 cents. Therefore, 1 centimeter cost is equal to 1,000 divided by 200 cents. That is equal to 5 cents. Therefore, 35 centimeters cost 5 times 35 cents is equal to 175 cents. That is equal to $1.75. If two numbers are inversely proportional to each other, then as one number increases the other number decreases at the same rate. For example, if you double the number of people working on a job, the time it takes to complete it is halved. In other words, if the number of people working is multiplied by 2, then the time it takes to complete the job is divided by 2. A good way to solve inverse proportionality problems is to remember that even though one number may be increasing and the other decreasing, the product of two numbers will always remain the same. In the example of workers doing a job, this is the same as saying that no matter how many workers there are, the total number of days work to be completed stays the same. This is the number of days it would take if there is only one worker working. Then you need to share the work out equally between however many workers you have at that time. Example 2. 8 workers can dig a hole in 4 hours. How long will it take 5 workers to dig the same size hole? How do we solve this? Let's see. There are 8 workers and they are taking 4 hours. So, one worker would take 8 times 4, that is equal to 32 hours. So, when we multiply, this is an inverse proportion. Now, 5 workers would take 32 divided by 5 hours, that is equal to 6 hours 24 minutes. Example 3. 25 cleaners can clean 200 hotel rooms in 4 hours. Question A. At this rate, how many rooms would a cleaner clean in 1 hour? Question B. How many rooms would 5 cleaners clean in 3 hours? Let's see how to solve this. So, if it takes 25 cleaners 4 hours, then there is 25 times 4 that is equal to 100 hours of work to do. If there are 200 rooms, this means that each room takes 100 divided by 200 that is equal to 0.5 hours to clean. One cleaner could therefore clean 1 divided by 0.5 that is equal to 2 rooms in 1 hour. This is the answer for question A. Now let's see how to do question B. So if one cleaner can clean 2 rooms in 1 hour, then one cleaner can clean 2 into 3 that is equal to 6 rooms in 3 hours. And 5 cleaners can clean 5 into 6 that is equal to 30 rooms in 3 hours. This is how we do an inverse proportion calculation. I hope you enjoyed it. For more awesome math deep dives, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hang out with us here at My Brainy Cave.